Hello everyone, this is me Mehdi Shakil here and you are watching my YouTube channel SSTec tutorial. So guys, today in this video I am going to unbox and review another mechanical keyboard named Royal Kludge. Let me show you the keyboard. Here is the RK Royal Kludge mechanical keyboard. In this video I am going to unbox this Royal Kludge keyboard and show you all the features of this keyboard. In my previous video I already show you another mechanical keyboard named Motospeed CK108 and I also compared that keyboard with my regular keyboard CK888. But in this video I am going to unbox this RK Royal Kludge mechanical keyboard and show you all the features of this keyboard. I got this keyboard from banggood.com. If you want to buy that keyboard or another mechanical keyboard what I review in my channel, you will find all that keyboard link in my description below, and also you can see all the review video in my description below. So without talking too much, let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe my YouTube channel SSTec tutorial and stay connected with my channel. Keyboard, then you